Hello viewers, greetings to you all. I'm Ima Basiyakwa Kadin. Today I'm going to educate you on soil fertility and management. The soil is the greatest possession of the farmer. Therefore, it has to be carefully managed to avoid extreme depletion of its resources. A fertile soil is a soil which contains all the soil nutrient elements required in the accurate form and proportion, and supplies it for growth and high yield of crops. Soils which are unable to support good growth and high yield of crops are termed infertile. Soil fertility is effectively managed when the following practices are adopted. The first practice is the crop rotation. Crop rotation is a term used to refer to the practice of growing different crops on a piece of land in an orderly sequence, year after year. The length of the rotation is the number of years it takes the cycle to be completed. That is, the number of years that will pass before a particular crop is grown again on the same land. Thus, we have 3 to 4 or 5 year course rotation. Crop rotation is practiced when intensive farming systems are used, especially where land is scarce. We have bush fallowing. Bush fallowing is the practice of allowing the land to rest after it has been cultivated for many years. The fallow or rest may be for 3 to 5 years. During this period, the land is able to rebuild its fertility. The farmer could clear its other plots and make use of them in succession before returning to the first one, thus giving these other plots time to rest too. This is why bush fallowing is often called land rotation. We have cover cropping. This involves raising fast-growing plants which tend to cover the soil surface and protect it from direct impact of sun and heavy rainfall. Legumes are mostly used for this purpose because apart from covering the soil to suppress weed growth, they also fix nitrogen in their root nodules. Examples of leguminous cover crops are Centrosema, Pueraria, and others. We have organic manures. These are plant and animal residues which the farmer can add to the soil to maintain soil fertility. Organic material added to the soil puts back nutrients and improves soil structure. We have cow dung, or you can use poultry dropping. We have the inorganic manures or fertilizers. Fertilizers or inorganic fertilizers are chemical substances usually in the form of powder, granules, pellets, or crystals which are added to the soil to improve its fertility. We have the last but not the least as mulching. This is the practice of covering the soil surface with grass, crop residue, straw, sawdust, or ground corn cobs in order to keep the soil moist and improve its fertility. Now, these are the ways that we can maintain soil fertility. As a farmer, you need to adopt to these practices in order to improve the fertility of the soil. When the fertility of the soil is being increased, it means that your crops will yield very well. Your crops will be healthy. This is where I'm going to stop for today. See you next time. Bye.